Methodist 2
English Corner.
Oh yeah, it's about Christmas. Hello everybody, welcome back again in Methodist 2 English Corner. Christmas is coming to town soon. Everyone is on the way in preparing their celebration based on their culture and tradition. So today, we will get to know some cultures and traditions in celebrating Christmas for some countries. Check it out! Okay, the first country that we discuss is Australia. When some other countries in Europe celebrating Christmas in winter, this may not happen in Australia. They celebrate Christmas in summer. They start decorating the stuff like Christmas tree, and Australian families also love to do other things outside. They love to swim, they love to ride bicycles, and they like to grill and make barbecue with their family. The most popular event on the Christmas season is called Carols and the Candlelight. So people come together at night, they have a candlelight dinner and they have a chit-chat and get to warm each other. Next, we want to know about the Christmas celebration in Japan. So, in Japan, Christmas is known like a time to spread happiness rather than the religious celebration. Christmas Eve is often celebrated more than the Christmas Day itself. So, in Christmas Eve, people, especially for young couples, like to make a romantic dinner with their boy or girlfriend. And the others, they like to spend the night with dinner and they will eat fried chicken or sponge cake with the strawberry and whipped cream. It's unique, isn't it? Next country is Norway. According to Norwegian folklore, Christmas Eve is the day when mischievous spirits and witches take to the skies of mischief and general tomfoolery, as witches often to use broom as their preventive mode of transportation. So, in Norway, the tradition for Christmas is they have to hide every cleaning supplies attached to stick, especially for brooms, where the witches cannot find it. Okay, let's talk about how Christmas is celebrated in our country, Indonesia. Christmas euphoria usually starts a few weeks before. People start to decorate their house by cleaning them, hanging the Christmas tree, or buy presents or gifts for their families. And some families too, they usually cook cookies and some yummy foods. And in December 25th, people usually visit their friends or family house and enjoy some food or just want to have a chat with others. Okay, that's all about the Christmas celebration in some countries. Whatever the way how people celebrate Christmas, people all around the world feel so happy and share it with others. Thank you for watching and see you again. Bye-bye.